Can you import a screen recording into Screen Studio? Yes, but there's a catch. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can import an existing video into Screen Studio, how does the workflow look like, and what are the existing limitations. And make sure to stick till the end because there's an alternative that can save you a lot of time and money. So first, let's answer the main question. How do you bring an existing video into Screen Studio? Inside Screen Studio, select the File menu and then Create Project from Video. Then select the file that you want to import and then wait for Screen Studio to process it. Once the video is imported, you can start using Screen Studio's editing tools. For example, you can trim the video or add zoom-in effects. But unfortunately, there are a few important limitations to consider. The first is that Screen Studio didn't record the original cursor movement data. That matters a lot because Screen Studio's best looking effects depend a lot on this cursor movement data. For example, you can't expect the same automatic zoom-in effects if you import an existing video compared to recording it straight into Screen Studio. Instead, you'll need to add the zooms manually and decide exactly where you want the zoom to focus on. The second limitation is the cursor itself. Because the cursor icon is burnt into the existing video, you will not be able to customize things like the cursor size or the cursor style. Finally, the worst limitation is that you can only import one video at a time. If you need to import multiple clips, you will need to use an external video editor to do that. Luckily, there's an alternative that works so much better for these workflows called Borumi. Borumi is specifically designed to create educational content like tutorials, video courses, and product demos. Its standout feature is the scene-based recording. Basically, you can structure your video into scenes and then record one at a time. This makes the recording process way more manageable compared to recording one long video. Once you finish recording, you can move to the built-in editor. Here you can add smooth zoom-in effects and cursor movement like in Screen Studio, as well as many more effects like text, images, music, captions, as well as many beautiful looking layouts. You can also edit your video by changing the transcript text, which makes editing longer video much faster than traditional timeline-based editing. The best part, Borumi comes as a one-time license at $79, making it one of the best deals on the market. You're also not forced into a subscription, but instead you pay once and get lifetime updates. You can learn more at borumi.com. So which one should you choose? If you already have a Screen Studio license and just need to do some light editing on a video, then importing it straight into Screen Studio could be a good choice. But if you're trying to really level up your tutorials, product demos, or educational videos, or simply you want to get a great deal, then choosing Borumi could be a great choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it, and I hope to see you in the next one.